So I got a call this week from somebody who wanted to sell their house, and they asked me if they should make some repairs before they put their house on the market. And of course, doing the best you can for your house, doing the most renovations you can for your house is great, but you don't want to do things that aren't going to yield the best return on investment. So definitely there are some things that I would encourage someone to do. And, putting a fountain in your front yard was probably not one of those. So if you want to have a great understanding of what the best ROI for renovations are and really get the most out of your property and sell it in the quickest amount of time, give me a call. It's one of my favorite topics, so I'd love to chat with you.